Little bird, be quiet. Little bird loved to talk. He talked about the sun and the leaves and the flies and the wind and the fish and the rain and anything that popped up into his mind. He tried to talk to his mother about teeth. Mommy, why don't birds have teeth? Beavers have teeth. I wish I had teeth like a beaver. I don't know, little birdie. I'm busy. I don't have time for questions. He tried to talk to his father about rain. Mommy says it might rain today, which means worms. Want to go on a worm hunt? Sorry, little bird, not today. I'm tired. He tried to tell his sister a joke. Hey, I learned a new joke. What bird carries the most weight? A cane. Not now, I'm late to meet my friends. And he wanted to share what he learned with his brother. Guess what? Woodpeckers can peck 20 times a second. Isn't that cool? Let's tell everyone. Another time, little birdie, I'm trying to focus. Frog thought Little Bird was boring. Deer said that Little Bird was too loud. And Rabbit wished he would hurry up and get to the point. They all said, "Be quiet, Little Bird." Little Bird flew until his tiny wings could no longer carry him further. He settled beside a brook. Another little bird looked up at him. Little Bird wondered if this bird would hear him to be quiet too. But the bird in the water smiled, laughed, and flapped his wings at everything Little Bird said. Words began to pour out from him. Wow, you have really small wings just like mine. Did you fall a lot when you were learning to fly too? My brother and sister flew perfectly their first times out of the nest. Amazing, right? They're older than I am, you know. Lately, they don't want me around as much, but sometimes they let me hang out with them, which is so much fun. Last weekend, we went hunting. Oh, let me show you something. My father taught me this really cool trick. Back home at the breakfast table, no one knew what to say. It was so quiet. Out in the forest, no one told any jokes or stories. Something was missing. We miss Little Bird. Let's go find him. Little Bird heard them coming and flew to a high branch in a tall tree. He wasn't sure he wanted to be found. As Little Bird listened to his friends and family talking, he found it almost impossible not to call out to them. I love that story about the time he dropped a worm. I'll give anything for a chance just once to tell Little Bird how clever he is. Did you know Little Bird once told me it takes 46 wing flaps to get to the top of a high oak? Really, wow. Suddenly, Little Bird could no longer keep quiet. 47. It takes 47 flaps, not 46. His mother wrapped her warm wings around her. Won't you please come home, Little Bird? It's not the same without you. Little Bird was so happy. He had so many words he wanted to say, but for once, Little Bird just said, yes.